going on a bear hunt. Come along with us.
Going on a bear hunt.
Going on a bear hunt.
It's a sunny day.
It's a sunny day.
We're gonna catch a cuddly one. Gonna catch a cuddly one. We're so brave.
It's tall, tall grass. We can't go over it. We can't go under it. We gotta go through it.
Oh no, somebody crazy. We can't cross over it.
We can't
tiptoe
tiptoe
under
under
it.
it.
We gotta go through it.
Whoa, a dark forest. We can't fly over it. We can't go under it. We gotta go through it.
Look up a
a
tall
windy
hill.
hill.
We
We
can't
can't fly
climb
over
it.
it.
We can't dig under
dig
it. We
through
gotta
it.
go up
Gotta
it.
go over it.
Oh my, a
Oh,
shadowy
a
cave.
shadowy cave.
It's dark and quiet. Let's tiptoe inside. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe. What's that sound?
Two big eyes. Two big
Two
ears.
big ears.
One
One furry nose. It's a bear! Oh man! Run out of the cave. Run down the hill. Run through the forest. Run through the field. Run through the grass. Run inside. That was close. We made it safely back.